Hello, friends. My name is Ismail Shahtakhtinski. I'm the immigration attorney, principal attorney, and I.S. law firm. How can I sponsor my parents to move to the United States? This is a very frequently asked question about sponsorship because everybody is familiar with the process of sponsoring immediate family members, such as children or spouses, but not so much about the parents. So the first thing to know is that the process of sponsoring parents for U.S. citizens is just the same as sponsoring the spouse or child, because the parents of US citizens are considered immediate family members, and there is no quota, there is no visa caps. The process goes as smooth as the marriage-based reunification process. If the parents are in the United States, you can file for their adjustment of status together with a petition here in the US, and they can remain in the US. In fact, they will be stuck in the US for some time until they receive travel authorizations. The process in the US takes close to about 1 year or less. Currently, the USCIS has been trying to approve adjustment of status cases without interviews, and therefore they're now getting faster, approving these cases faster. But if the parents are outside of the United States, then the process goes through 3 stages. First, the petitioner would file the petition here with the USCIS in the US. And once the USCIS approves that petition, which currently takes about 6 to 8 months approximately, again, it varies significantly. It can vary significantly from time to time, but it currently takes about 6 to 8 months from the time the petition is filed here in the US. But that's only the first stage of the process. The second stage of the process is that the USCIS will forward the case to the State Department National Visa Center, which asks for additional documents and forms. And once those forms and documents are uploaded to the National Visa Center's portal, then the National Visa Center forwards the case to the U.S. Consulate, which is the third stage of the process. The U.S. Consulate schedules an interview. The applicant is notified, the petitioner is notified, and then there are additional documents that need to be prepared for the interview and the medical examination. The report has to be obtained, and once those are done, the beneficiary goes through the interview process, receives a 6 months immigrant visa stamp in the passport. It's valid for 6 months for that beneficiary to enter the United States, but once he or she enters the US, they automatically become permanent residents in the United States. And the green card will arrive in the mail within approximately a couple weeks after their arrival in the US. Sometimes it may be slightly delayed. So the process of sponsoring parents is very similar to sponsoring spouse.